Hey everybody, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So today we are showcasing the new system for, as you can see, the Land Cruiser 80 series. So this is an older model Toyota Land Cruiser. One of our buddies, employees, has this massive Land Cruiser on 40-inch tires, so it's gonna be a little higher. In the back there showing you the drawer system, but I just want to show you this awesome rig. And in the back here we got the new mocked up drawer system. So as I said, you can see it's pretty high, probably about 4 feet off the ground. So the normal size ones will be a little lower. Some people who do rock crawling have some larger ones. But as you can see here, we have the new drawer system in the back here, also made of our hex ply. Tons of divider slots as well. Just kind of give you a quick overview on this, and we'll have more detailed videos to come. But it'll have 10-inch deep drawers made out of the hex ply, like I was saying. This one as well will have the slots for your false tops to fit in here. We also have the option for the cubbies as well, as you can see on the sides here. And then we'll also have the option for the flipping bed. So head over to solidwoodworks.com to get your pre-sale kit and or Solid Woodworks on Instagram to see more videos about it. Cheers.